everyone, welcome to Lecker Treats. So in today's video, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has liked, shared, subscribed and commented on our videos. You are very much appreciated. I live here in Munich, Germany, and Lecker is a word that you hear on a daily basis anytime, anywhere there is good food. So on this channel, I bring you nothing but simple, easy and lekker recipes that you can do at home. Lecker Treats have had feedback from people who have tried out our recipes and had amazing results. I encourage you to try out our recipes as well, and your families and friends will love it. Also, in addition, kindly share in the comment section your best video from Lecker Treats so far. I'm very much excited to share with you other amazing recipes in the coming months. So if you've not done yet, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment on our videos. Thanks a lot and see you in the next one. Bye!